Hello, my wonderful friend. I'm so glad you're here. So welcome to clue number 5 of our year-long Mystery Crochet Along. I truly hope you're having a blast so far, that you're making some fun crochet friends in the forum, and really loving what you're making so far. So this section will begin a series of rectangles that are going to form around the current square that you already have created. All right, so I've got a small swatch here today. You're gonna have obviously a lot more, and you're gonna be ending with a slip stitch. Mine is not, but you'll be ending with a slip stitch. So you wanna work that final stitch with your new color so you are all set up and ready to go with your brand new color. So what you're going to do is begin by loosely chaining 20. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Then you are all set up for row 43. What you're going to do is double crochet into the 4th chain from your hook. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So the chain 3 remaining over here does count as a double crochet. Then you're going to double crochet into each of the next 16 chains. So just walking all the way down that chain that you just created. All right, 15 and 16. So we've done double crochets all the way down our chain. Then you're going to double crochet into this corner double crochet where the yarn was attached. Double crochet into the next double crochet. Double crochet into your chain space. Then you're going to double crochet into your next 107 double crochets. I've just got a few here today, so I will just work these and then show you what we do at the end. So when you come down to the end of your long strip of double crochets, you're going to double crochet into the chain space, and then you're just going to double crochet into the next 2 double crochets, and then you're going to turn and you are all set up for row 44. For row 44, we're going to start with the chain 3, 2, 3, and this does count as a double crochet throughout this section. So we're going to skip our first double crochet and we're going to double crochet into the next 4 double crochets. So there's 1, 2, 3, and 4. Next, you're going to chain 1 and you're going to skip the next double crochet and double crochet into each of the next 5. So skip that next one and double crochet into each of the next 5 double crochets. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So just double check, there's 5, and you're going to repeat that across your row. So chain 1, skip 1, double crochet into the next 5, and you're going to have a lot more stitches than me because I just have a small swatch today. 3, 4, 5. So I like to always make sure and check, that way you don't have to go back and rip out. Chain 1, skip 1, double crochet in the next 5. This is a nice and easy section. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now when you do get towards the end of your row, you're going to chain 1, skip the next double crochet, and double crochet into each of the next 4 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then finally into that the top of that turning chain, and 5. For row 45, you're going to turn, of course, and we're going to start with the chain 3. And you're going to skip that very first double crochet. Then you're just going to double crochet into the next stitch and into each double crochet and chain 1 space across. So a nice relaxing row. Just make sure you are working 1 double crochet into each double crochet and into each of those chain 1 spaces all the way across your row. Go ahead and work all the way across your row. When you do get to the end, just make sure you work a double crochet into the top of that final turning chain. For row 46, we're going to turn and work 1, 2, 3 chains, and you're going to skip that very first double crochet, and you're going to double crochet into the next 7 double crochets. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Now you're going to chain 1 and you're going to skip the next double crochet and double crochet into each of the next 5 double crochets. So there is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Let's go ahead and check. Make sure we're looking good. We are. So you're going to repeat that across your row. Chain 1, skip 1, double crochet into each of the next 5. There's 2, 3, 4, and 5. And when you get towards the end of your row, you're going to chain 1, skip the next double crochet, and you're going to double crochet into each of the next 7 double crochets. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then make sure you work a double crochet into the top of that turning chain as well. And that completes that row. So the rest of this section basically repeats those rows, and all of that information is in the pattern PDF for you. So once finished, you can go ahead and cut your yarn and await next month's clue. So I hope you have a great month, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.